your car feeling a little gassy lately? No, we're not talking about its eating habits or the aftermath of a burrito fest. We're diving deep into the mysterious world of bad gas and the 11 symptoms that could be wreaking havoc on your beloved wheels. Buckle up, folks, because this video from Car Computer Exchange is about to take you on a wild ride through the secret life of your car's fuel system. Rev those engines, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a fuel-filled adventure that will leave you gasping for air, figuratively of course. Today, we're here to uncover the telltale signs that your car might be suffering from bad gas. You know, the kind of gas that turns your smooth ride into a jittery roller coaster. But fear not, because we're armed with knowledge that will have you cruising like a pro in no time. So fasten your seatbelts, turn up the volume, and prepare to embark on an electrifying journey through the 11 symptoms that could be plaguing your car's fuel system. Get ready to become a gas guru, impress your friends with your newfound automotive wisdom, and maybe even save your car from a trip to the mechanic. Together, let's dive into the fascinating world of bad gas and unveil its dirty little secrets. Difficulty starting up. When it comes to starting your car, there's nothing quite as frustrating as encountering issues that prevent your engine from roaring to life. While there can be various reasons behind starting trouble, bad fuel can often be the sneaky culprit lurking in the background. Picture this. You hop into your car, turn the key with anticipation, but instead of the sweet symphony of your engine purring to life, you're met with a stubborn refusal to start. It's as if your car is playing hard to get, leaving you feeling perplexed and helpless. In such instances, bad fuel can wreak havoc on your engine's delicate dance, disrupting the combustion process and preventing your car from starting smoothly. It's like a discordant note in an otherwise harmonious melody, throwing off the rhythm and leaving you scratching your head in frustration. Acceleration issues. The thrill of pressing the gas pedal and feeling the surge of power as your car effortlessly glides forward is an experience that many drivers relish. However, when you start experiencing hesitation during acceleration, as if your car is contemplating the meaning of life before it decides to move, it can quickly drain the joy out of driving. Bad fuel can be a significant contributor to this problem. Just like a sprinter stumbling out of the blocks, your car's engine may struggle to deliver the necessary power and responsiveness when the fuel isn't burning as it should. Whether you're going uphill, trying to overtake another vehicle, or simply accelerating from a standstill, these acceleration issues can make even routine driving feel like a Herculean task. It's like your car is caught in a momentary state of indecision, unsure of how to perform at its best due to the subpar fuel it has been fed. Abnormal speed changes. Imagine cruising along, minding your own business, enjoying the open road, when suddenly, your car decides it's time to play a little game of speed roulette. Without any warning, your driving speed changes erratically, as if your car has developed a mind of its own. It can be a nerve-wracking experience, leaving you on edge and questioning the reliability of your vehicle. Unbeknownst to you, bad fuel might be the choreographer behind these impromptu speed sessions. The irregular burning of fuel in the engine can disrupt the normal rhythm of power delivery, causing unexpected surges or drops in speed. It's as if your car has taken up interpretative dance, showcasing its unpredictable moves while you desperately try to regain control. Needless to say, surprises like these are the last thing any driver wants to encounter on the road. Rough idling. Engines, just like humans, appreciate a smooth idle. When your car is stationary, the engine should run with a calm and consistent rhythm, providing a stable foundation for your vehicle. However, bad fuel can turn your engine into a grumpy monster, causing it to shudder and shake at idle, like it's auditioning for a role in a horror movie. The unsettling roughness that accompanies rough idling is a telltale sign that your fuel isn't combusting evenly. This imbalance in combustion can disrupt the engine's equilibrium, throwing it off balance and making it perform in a way it never rehearsed. Instead of a peaceful and serene state, your engine is trapped in a jittery dance routine, desperately seeking stability. Addressing the issue promptly and ensuring the quality of your fuel can help restore your engine's composure and bring back the smoothness you desire. Pinging sounds. Every car enthusiast appreciates the sweet sounds of a well-tuned engine. It's a symphony of mechanical prowess, with each combustion cycle producing a harmonious hum that indicates a healthy and efficient engine. However, if your ears are being serenaded by strange pinging sounds instead of the smooth melody you're accustomed to, bad fuel might be conducting an off-key symphony under your hood. These unsettling noises can be an alarming departure from the normal sounds your engine produces. It's like a musician hitting the wrong notes, creating a discordant and jarring experience. While pinging sounds can indeed be a result of bad fuel, it's important to note that they could also be caused by other factors, such as a malfunctioning fuel filter. Therefore, it's essential to investigate thoroughly and identify the true culprit behind the unsettling discord in your engine symphony. Hey there, fellow road warriors! We've been diving deep into the fascinating world of bad gas and its effects on your car. But now, it's time for a quick mid-video pit stop. So, here's a burning question for you. Have you ever experienced any of these sneaky symptoms of bad gas? Share your stories in the comments below and let's commiserate together. Don't worry, we've got plenty more fuel-filled knowledge coming your way. So stay tuned and let's keep rolling. Stalling. Let's set the stage. You find yourself on a picturesque countryside drive, the wind gently tussling your hair as you navigate the winding roads with a sense of freedom and adventure. But suddenly, without warning, your vehicle decides to play a mischievous trick on you. It comes to an abrupt halt, as if it has its own agenda and wants to keep you guessing. This unexpected turn of events can be attributed to a cunning culprit lurking within your fuel system: bad fuel. Yes, you heard it right. Just like a villain in a thrilling novel, bad fuel can sneakily sabotage your smooth journey, leaving you feeling puzzled and stranded. While such stalling incidents may not be an everyday occurrence, the presence of substandard fuel adds an intriguing twist to your scenic drive, injecting a dash of uncertainty and forcing you to confront the challenges posed by this uninvited adversary. Check engine light illumination. The ever-mysterious check engine light. It's like a tiny beacon of worry on your car's dashboard, illuminating the fact that something isn't quite right under the hood. When bad fuel enters the scene, it can wreak havoc on your engine's delicate balance, causing it to run lean. And what happens when your engine runs lean? That's right, the illuminating troublemaker known as the check engine light makes its grand entrance. It's your car's way of saying, "Hey, pay attention! Something fishy is definitely going on down here." This enigmatic indicator adds an extra layer of complexity to the already puzzling world of automotive diagnostics. Reduced fuel economy. You know that feeling when your wallet cries a little every time you have to fuel up? Well, bad fuel can turn that mild annoyance into a full-blown financial nightmare. When your engine is forced to work harder due to subpar fuel, it becomes thirstier than a marathon runner in the Sahara. Say goodbye to those dreams of saving a few extra bucks at the pump. Damaged fuel filter. Let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of the fuel system, the fuel filter. It's like the bouncer at the entrance, keeping dirt and debris from entering the party. However, a damaged fuel filter can make it easier for contaminants to infiltrate your fuel, turning it into a chaotic gathering of impurities. Protect your fuel filter, and it'll return the favor. Engine stops running. Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, because we have arrived at the dark side of bad fuel. When things go really wrong, your engine can lose power and eventually decide to throw in the towel altogether. It's like your car has had enough of the subpar fuel shenanigans and declares, "Enough is enough, I'm out of here." This severe consequence of bad fuel is the stuff of automotive nightmares. It can leave you stranded on the side of the road, feeling helpless and defeated as you contemplate the potential damage and the costly repairs that lie ahead. It serves as a stark reminder of the importance of fuel quality and the devastating impact that bad fuel can have on the heart and soul of your vehicle. And that's a wrap, my fellow road warriors. We've uncovered the 11 telltale symptoms of bad gas, armed you with the knowledge to spot them, and even shared some fuel-filled laughs along the way. But hey, The journey doesn't end here. If you've enjoyed this wild ride through the world of car maintenance and want to join our ever-growing community of car enthusiasts, hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing to Car Computer Exchange, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with helpful tips, entertaining stories, and more fuel-related adventures. So buckle up, stay curious, and let's continue this joyride together. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you never know what surprises await in our next video. Until then, happy driving, and may your gas always be as fresh as a crisp morning breeze. Keep on rolling, my friends.